Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt, also known as Trades by Matt. In case you don't know who I am, welcome to my YouTube channel, where we talk day trading and technical analysis. So today's video is going to be a little different than the ones previously because I'm here to discuss some news with you. In case you haven't been in my Discord or on Twitter with me or whatever, I've been trading futures, specifically the NASDAQ, every single day. And I've been doing that exclusively. So what that kind of means for this channel and for my Twitter feed and my Discord and all of that, not as much the Discord, but everything else, is that I found a lot of success in trading futures from a financial standpoint, as well as a price action standpoint and just ease of use. And so this channel is used for like educational purposes to help you, the viewer, learn more about trading and TA and what makes money, what doesn't. And since I find that futures is a successful, easier, more clean way, as well as like timely, like you don't have to be looking at the charts all the time in order to trade futures. Crypto, you have to be 24/7 because the markets are 24/7. Futures, I only trade the open for about an hour to an hour and a half after that. So what that means for this channel is that going forward, I won't be covering any crypto content anymore. This channel was established on the premise of crypto, and it was good while it lasted. I still have a stake in crypto. I'm not leaving by any means, but from an educational standpoint, a financial standpoint, for you, the viewer, and just for learning more, I think that futures is the way to go. So I'm going to be making content on futures from here on out. You'll see me trading every morning that I'm able to stream the opening bell until I'm done trading. And then you'll see how-to videos and just general ideas on trading futures and what it means for you. So that's the big announcement. That's the big announcement. And the Discord will stay the same. We'll have crypto in there and whatnot. But my Twitter feed and this YouTube channel will be exclusively content for trading futures. If you are totally uninterested in trading futures, I have no hard feelings. Do whatever you want with this channel. If you are new and you're trying to find a futures trading resource, this channel is for you. And I invite you to join me in this journey. And again, I kind of do all of this YouTube stuff in order to document. It's one of my ways of having a trading journal. And so I become a better trader by showing you how I trade as well. So please join me in that journey. And the channel's alive and well. So I hope you are okay with this decision of leaving crypto. Again, I still have a small stake, so chat with me if you want. I'll still do some charts and whatnot, maybe. But futures are my future as far as becoming a full-time day trader and all of that. So that's what I'll be doing. So I hope you have a great rest of the day. Please follow me on Twitter, which is @tradesbymatt. Subscribe to this channel. Like this video if you are in for the futures journey with me. And I will see you in 2 days for my next live stream broadcast. Again, that's Monday through Friday, except for holidays, from the opening bell at 9:30 Eastern Time until I'm done trading, which is typically an hour to an hour and a half. And I'll see you there. Peace.